Ramy could do a lot better. He could do a hell of a lot better. He's just a freak, a physically freak of nature. You know, he's the one that people, you know, he could gladly squat whatever he wants to, but he decided not to.
If Ramy 100% came in, if he actually came in, you know, at 100%, let's just say it's a far shot. Absolutely, the guy's physique is just outrageous. You know?
Right.
You know, I don't know. He trains hard, but he could train a lot harder if that makes sense. You know, and I believe he could push his body to that extra bit, and that's why, you know, you can see it, and you can see it in the physique. You know, if he trained a little harder, he would get better. But what I've seen lately on his videos, I believe now Neil is pushing to that limit. I can see him. You know, I didn't used to see Ramy sweat as much as he did, or you know, gasping for breath. But now I see him out in Dubai and working with Neil. I can see that, you know, he's physically, he's going for it. And he messaged me a couple of days and Nathan, like, I haven't trained like this for a while, and you know, I'm hitting. So that'll be a good combination with Ramy and Neil.
You know, he's so big compared to everyone, and he's not really missing anything. If this guy puts it together, which I don't know what it's going to take, or if this is the year, or if it's ever going to happen, everyone's in trouble, and there's no doubting, and I think Phil deep down inside would agree, would probably never go on record and say that, but you know, he's one of those guys that you're just like, oh, please don't get it together. You know, if you're the champion, you're just trying to retain, because that guy is dangerous. There's never been anyone that's built like that guy ever in the business of bodybuilding, in the sport, whatever you want to call it. I think, yeah, he would win it for sure if he actually came in 100%.
Four, go!
We start my exercise, so from the top, quick, I can lift to down.